Hi everybody, thank you for being with me in this new video. So our demo today is about working with contrast, warm, cool, light, dark, etc. So it's not a color complicated theory lesson, it's just basic useful information. So we'll use dynamic contrast of complement. When we talk about complement colors, as we say in French, it's les couleurs complémentaires diamétralement opposées sur le cercle chromatique. It means the colors that are that opposite each other on the color wheel. You just keep that in mind. If you want to work with complement, just choose two colors that are opposite of each other on the color wheel. So, and we will try to keep this contrast on all the painting today. Even we will use others, but it will be in the shades and the tones of red, yellow, and then the violet, bluey violet. We will use green by the end too. And as long as we progress in this work, you will see me working with three ways of creating or adding textures. They are very interesting textures that improve the general quality of the work. So the first one will be the stencil, using stencils. The second way is using the Catalyst Wedge tool. It has a very nice effects. And finally, the dripping technique, when I help the paint run down. Of course, it's not completely random. Sometimes I do it randomly, but in this work, it's I'm controlling it because I don't need it to be everywhere. I want it to be just focused on one area. So thank you for watching, and please don't miss to subscribe and leave a comment. Please, it's very important for me to know what are you thinking about these techniques and if you want to watch more.